Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Mohammad Shaukat Ansari from your wonderful channel Learn English with Shaukat Ansari, wherein my honest attempts are packed for your benefits, for your academic benefits, for your educational benefits, for advantages. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you that you subscribe to this channel. I am going to deal with the ways to invite in English. What are the expressions which can be used to invite others in English? During your conversations with others or during your interaction with others, you need to invite them in English. How can you do this? मैं इस सेशन में आप लोगों का इस्तकबाल करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं और इस सेशन में हम लोग जानेंगे कि कॉन्वर्सेशंस के दौरान हम कैसे अंग्रेजी में दूसरों को इनवाइट करें, हाउ टू प्लेस आवर इनविटेशन टू अदर्स, हम दूसरों को अपना इनविटेशन कैसे प्लेस करें, इसकी जानकारी हमें मिलेगी। मैं आगे बढ़ने से पहले ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आप बोलें, अंग्रेज़ी बोलें, ज़रूर बोलें और अपने अंदर जो हेजिटेशन है उसे दूर करें, अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लाएं, फ्लुएंसी लाएं और बिना कोई हेजिटेशन के अंग्रेज़ी बोलने की कोशिश करें। अपने मित्रों के संग, अपने क्लासरूम में, अपने शिक्षकों के साथ, लेकिन अंग्रेज़ी बोलें। अंग्रेज़ी बोलें, इससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा। यू विल फाइंड दैट योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज रेज्ड एंड यू विल बी very pleased when you speak some words or some phrases or some expressions or some sentences with your friends, with your classmates or colleagues or roommates. एक बार फिर आप लोगों का स्वागत है इस सेशन में। हम लोग जानेंगे कि इनवाइट दूसरों को कैसे करें अंग्रेजी। You have many expressions to invite others in English. For example, do you feel like going for a walk? Do you feel like going for a walk? Do you want to go to the movies tonight? Tonight का मतलब होता है आज की रात। Do you want to go to the movies tonight? मेरे साथ रिपीट करें, बेहतर होगा, आप सीखेंगे। मैं जो सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ उसको रिपीट करें। Say after me, repeat after me, repeat with me. Would you like a cup of coffee? I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. Would is also in short pronounced in spoken English would. For example, want to, wanna. I would like you to have lunch with us tomorrow. How about joining me for a walk? I invite you to have breakfast with me tomorrow morning. WITH, don't say with me. You have some other expressions like please join us for a picnic at the lakeside tomorrow. Could we meet for lunch tomorrow? Next expression, I have come to invite you for my brother's birthday party. I have come to invite you for my brother's birthday party. Please come and spend the weekend at our place. Please join us for dinner tonight. Lunch during day, dinner during night. I mean in the evening. You are welcome to attend the seminar. Come, let's have a cup of tea with me. Come, let's have a cup of tea with me. Come, let's have a cup of tea with my family members. Like this you can say many expressions, many phrases in order to invite others in English. And during conversations, you find the context, you find the situations, and in accordance with the situation, in line with the situation, you speak English. And my polite suggestion to all of you that you memorize all these expressions for your future references, for your future use. I mean the practical use. Here, I would like to present two conversations. Conversation number 1, and see how two persons, A and B, are interacting with each other. A says, "What are you doing on Friday night?" Here A is trying to invite B. B says, "Nothing special. Why?" Here why is a question. It means, why are you asking this? I again say, A, "What are you doing on Friday night?" B, "Nothing special. Why?" A, "Do you wanna see a movie?" Here want to. Do you wanna see a movie? B, "Sure. What time?" A, "Can I pick you up around 7? Here pick up means to take, to drive with. Can I pick you up around 7? B says, "Sounds good." It means B agrees with the invitation being placed by A. Yes, we have another conversation, conversation number 2. Here again the conversation is between A and B. A says, "Would you like to come over for the dinner tonight?" क्या आप आज की रात मेरे साथ डिनर पे आएंगे? B says, "I can't." B disagrees. B is busy, so he says, "I can't." मैं नहीं आ सकता. I have to study. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है. A agrees. Okay. Then how about getting together for coffee tomorrow afternoon? B says, "Sorry, I have other plans too." So here the invitation is being placed and there is a negative reply. There is unhesitant person and he says no. My dear lovely students, here I would like to inform you with all delight that I have written 3 books and these are my latest books. Number 1, Practical Approaches to Communication Skills in English. Number 2, Improve Your English Grammar and Spoken Skills. Number 3, Enhance Your Spoken Skills in English. These 3 books are useful for all learners and they are on sale on Amazon and Flipkart and publishers stores too. And they are giving discounts as well. If you are interested in any one of these 3 books or in these 3 books, you go to the Flipkart or Amazon, search with the names of the books or search with my name and you will find. Thank you very much. Again, I would like to repeat that you subscribe to this channel, Learn English with Shaukat Ansari, and gain maximum benefits by establishing yourself in English language skills. Thank you. See you.